What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another Subway review. Y'all ever had these chips before? Crunches! So if you go on the Subway app at participating locations, you can get any foot-long sub for $6.99. If you're in Milwaukee, I'm at the one on 91st and Burleigh. You gotta do it online. Boom, foot-long. We got one of the new signature subs. Actually a little cold. This is the spicy nacho Philly cheese. Extra jalapenos, add mayo, spinach, onions, garlic aioli, and sriracha. Best shit you can spend your eyes on. Spicy nacho steak, baby. Look at that. On that jalapeno bread. Got a piece of tree on there. See that? Pressure chip. I just talked about somebody eating a steak sandwich from Subway. You're wrong, it's not Cousins. Or it might not even be Firehouse. But so this sub by itself, all locations are different. I think this one's like $13. Regular price. $6.99's got my eyes rolling the back of my head. King Dio. Go on the Subway app, bro. I'm sure it's locations where you at too. $6.99 foot long sub. Anyone you want. Anyone. I'm enjoying this. I ain't gonna lie to you. You can't bring me back to the $5 foot long days. I don't know if you can use it, the $6.99 over and over and over again. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm sure gonna try. They got a garlic aioli roast beef. Fire. Fire. They got a spicy nacho chicken. I haven't tried yet. But let me tell y'all. Let me tell you, this spicy nacho steak on this jalapeno bread, top tier. Top tier. I ordered it it took me 15 minutes to get here because I was at a different Subway location that didn't participate in the $6.99 because Subways are monthly franchises. But you get the ones that want to abide by the rules, you know what I'm saying? Subway comes out with a coupon, but you got the franchise ones. I've got to get there, and they'll have a big sign on their door saying, they don't accept coupons, they don't do this. I'm not going to name no name. But the people that come from overseas, the Iranians, they cheat. They don't want to give us no deals. They want to take all the money. I think the Indians own this location. And I appreciate y'all. They're attached to the gas station. They accept coupons, deals, wagers. Let's get to the other half of this. Now, I usually only eat 6 inches. No homo. But today, baby, we in $6.99 foot long heaven. Look at that. This is one of my reviews I enjoy. I love a good deal. I do. I love a good deal. Let's take some of these kettle crunchers. Bite the sandwich. Eat some shit. Dude, right here. These chips are top tier. This ain't your breathtaking, but hey, you can never have enough jalapeno. I always get extra jalapeno. If I get a gyro, hero, gyro, whatever you want to call it, jalapenos. I get a sandwich, jalapenos. I get a taco, jalapenos. Eat some chicken, jalapenos. Angela, am I lying? Jalapenos. Please, if you watch this video, download that Subway app, baby, and sign up. It's $6.99 foot long. Got me in chokehold. No diddy. I said we doing foot long today, baby. We say the 6 inches for later. This is so good. So good. I'm not even going to go to sleep after this. I'm going to work early too. Like I said, these are supposed to be 99 cents everywhere you go. I said $1. Then you get to the other gas stations want to break the rules. Charge me $1.50 if you need, $1.25. The owner of Arizona, the guy that owns the company, specifically said he is not going up on his prices. He is not raising his prices. He said if you go to a store and they're charging more, he really wanted them reported. 99 cents. All the flavors. This is right here is the RX Energy Tonic. Drink one of these with some liquor before it's time to do Mr. Nasty time. Motherfucker turn you into the mask. No, I'm kidding, y'all. But don't have my word for it. Get on down to Subway, download that app, and get you a $6.99 sub. Deuces, y'all.